The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and we're gonna do a quick update on what's happening with Cardano. I like it. I don't know if you like it. Yesterday it had some kind of dump, but right now it's still down there. So we're gonna check it out. But before we start, if you are interested in altcoins, if you want to know what's pumping, what's not pumping, what's good, what's bad, we do like 30 plus altcoins every day on the Patreon. Like we rank them up nicely and stuff like that. So if that's your thing, you might want to check that out. That said, let's get into the charts, see what's actually happening with Cardano. So Cardano yesterday had a big pump. This is like 6% dump down here. We want to get above this level of resistance here, this yellow area over here, and we were looking to break that. We did break, but we just came back down when Bitcoin started dropping. Those are things that can happen. They do happen, nothing you can do with that, but we are right back here. If you remember my video about Cardano from yesterday, I said that this is blessing in disguise, because yesterday, day before that, I said there is no way you're getting these levels again, to buy these levels again. And now, luckily for us, we are getting a chance to buy these levels again. We should be worried if the price breaks this support line over here. If the price starts breaking support line over here, and this yellow 50 moving average, if we start going down here, that's when you should be worried. That should be very worried. That should be a very bad sign. But when I say go down, I don't mean the wick go down. I mean this full body closes below there. That's where you should be worried. So basically, we had let me just explain for you guys about the setup up here. The 1.70 was a support line over here, but it got broken 2 times, so we don't want to look at that anymore, because like, what kind of support line is it if it gets broken all the time, right? Then other support line we have here down here is 115. It's almost at the same line where the 50 moving average is. So this is quite good support line. It's been holding forever. Down here when we had this dump over here, we were kind of worried because we went below the 1.15 line, but then we got above it again and never saw back again. So it looks like Cardano is looking to be a stable coin again. It's going sideways in this range between what's that, between 116 and 120, right? I think this is even more stable than US dollar. So what's happening right now? Well, we are basically inside this big triangle. We are waiting to break out of the triangle, preferably on the upside and not on the downside. So we have to see what's actually going to happen. But if I'm telling you, if it starts breaking on the downside, it's going to be very bad if we close below 115 line and stuff like that. Because then you are here. If we close. If it closed here below 115 line, that wouldn't be the problem. You can see here it's not the problem, because we are inside this triangle, we are above the 50 moving and stuff like that. But here, if we close below 115 line right now, we are below the 50 moving average. That's terrible. That's gonna be terrible. The good thing we have is that this daily error size at 51 and weekly is now at 77. So if it goes further down, the good thing is we are resetting more levels, but it wouldn't be looking good that we actually broke on the downside out of the triangle. So I have a really big faith that this is gonna break on the upside, but it can always break on the downside, so you have to know that. The other thing is that this bearish growth that started over here, the consolidation part, is been going on like forever. This is since start of March. Now it's the start of the April, so we have been going through this for over a month right now, this consolidation. So it looks like there are 2 scenarios I see here. Number 1 scenario is we have a big dump over here and then we blast off. We have this some kind of a rubber band effect where we get all the weak heads to sell, and then we blast off, right? That's the first scenario that can happen. The second one is that we just from over here start going right up here. First we cross this resistance up here, and after we cross that we get out to the wedge, the triangle, and after triangle we move further up. So those are the two scenarios I'm looking at. The one is first down then up, the other one is just right up from here, because both can happen. It's not unusual that price breaks on the downside, get some kind of bear trap, get people to sell, and then blasts off. But it does look good. I cannot say anything. It does look good. So I'm gonna put my reputation online. I'm gonna say this. I think that this is gonna go break the upper part of this triangle in 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 days. maybe before. You know what the problem is? The problem is today is Thursday, so in 3 days it's Sunday, and in 4 days it's Monday. So this weekly MACD, not MACD, this weekly RSI has been steady for not moving for 1, 2, 3 weeks. It's been steady for 3 weeks at 77. It's literally not been moving at all. So maybe that's it. Maybe that's not gonna do much. If it dumps hard, it's gonna dump on Sunday and then close on Sunday, pull it back, and then start going up. That might be a thing, but I don't see that happening. So today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday over here, Monday, and then I don't think it's gonna go all the way into the triangle. I think it actually might break it sooner. Depends if this support line is correctly drawn, but it looks like it's correctly drawn because it's sitting on the 50 moving average. Let's see if we can draw it another way. Let's see if we can draw this support line a little bit differently. Maybe that will help us just to see if we are, because I like these bottoms up here, down here. These wicks are not getting hit. Maybe something like this. Maybe something like this is more correct. But still, it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Maybe it's going over here. Something like this. Yeah, it depends. The bottom line is very hard because of there are just too many wicks to choose from. Let's see how it looks on the something like this. It looks like this is a better call for this. This is too much. This is breaking it. This is going up there. So we're just trying to see. Yeah, this seems to be the best line for it, and let's see how that looks on the daily. Yeah, it's probably the best line for it. Maybe this should be actually down to the wick hub down here, something like that. So yeah, basically, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I think maybe in this week we are gonna break on downside. I think I don't know if I should put my reputation on it, but this can also, of course, break on the upside. If we start closing below 115, like, all bets are off. All bets are off. Either way, I see this very bullish because, number one, Bitcoin is not done. The bull market is not finished. If it's not finished, I don't see EDA just dropping down for no reason. I mean, I think EDA is the most bullish of all of the things, you know. So we just have to wait and see what's gonna happen. But it looks good. It looks very good. If you want to chat more about Cardano, check out our Telegram channel, guys. It's down below in the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see updates on Cardano. We do Cardano daily, and also like the video because YouTube algorithm, it helps my channel grow, man. So thanks a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Don't hate me because of my analysis. Like, I'm just saying it how it is, you know. If it goes down, it goes down. If it goes up, it goes up. That's life. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.